my dear students, welcome back to your online class. So today we will discuss about the plants around us. So I think now you are clear about your subject, that is EVS. So today we are going to discuss about the plants around us. So you can see there are various plants. There are different types of plants. Some plants are big, some plants are small, some plants are so tiny, some plants creep on the ground, some plants climb on something. Okay, so we will discuss about that. So do you know plants are living things? Yes, plants also have life in them. Okay, so don't cut trees unnecessarily. They also have lives. Okay. So there are different kinds of plants around us. Some are big, some are small. Okay. So big plants are called trees. Okay. Just like you can see mango tree, coconut tree, banyan tree. So these are trees. They are so big and tall, strong. They have big trunk, many branches. Okay. So big and tall, strong trees are plants are called trees. And you can see there are small plants, and that is like bushy. That is like bushy. There are many branches, small branches, and it is called shrubs or bushes. Shrubs or bushes. Just like the example hibiscus, rose. These are the example of shrubs. Okay, so big trees, big plants are called trees. Then the small plants, these are called shrubs. Then comes tiny plants. These are called herbs. You can plant them in a pot also. Okay, so coriander, mint, these are the herbs. Tulsi. Okay, you can plant it in a tub. Okay, so these are herbs. Now creeper. Some plants you can see that creep on the ground. Okay, just like pumpkin. This is creeper. This is an example of creeper. And you can see some plants that climb on something, that climb on a stick, then climb on a tree, and it climb on something just like that. So this is called climber. Just like money plant. It is an example of climber. Okay, so let's come back to your book, the chapter. So we see trees on the both sides of the road. You can see there are roads, and there are both sides of the road. There are tall plants. These are trees. School campus, in the park, and in several other places. You can see the trees several other places. On the both sides of the roads, you can see it in your school campus, in the park, or several other places. We see some big trees like mango tree, neem tree, ashoka tree, jamun tree, tamarind tree, gulmo tree, etc. around us. We can see all that. So now, what is the usefulness of the trees? Trees is the essential thing that we need in our daily life. Trees give us shade. Okay, we can have wood from the trees. Okay, and then trees give us fruits, flowers, many things. Okay, most important, trees give us the life gas oxygen that we take in, and without oxygen all the creature will die. So we all need oxygen. Trees give out oxygen, and trees take the carbon dioxide, the most dangerous gas. One of the most dangerous gas, that is carbon dioxide. Trees take that. Okay, so trees give us the life gas oxygen. Okay, and trees also clean the air. Trees helps bring in rain. So trees are so useful, the most useful thing. Sometimes there is no sufficient place for a big tree to grow. Suppose you don't have a sufficient place to grow a mango tree in your house. So you can have a pot. You can plant some tiny trees that are herbs, tulsi, mint. You can plant also rose. Okay. So we can grow small bushy plants or potted plants. Small bushy plants, that are shrubs. You can plant hibiscus on a pot. You can plant rose on a pot. You can also plant some tiny plants that are tulsi, coriander. Okay. So these example of potted plants are rose, jasmine, tulsi, are some small plants. Plants are useful to us. They give us food. I told you, food, wood, cotton, and many other things. We can also have oil. We can also have what? Okay, many other things. Many things we can have rice. We can have maize. Okay. Some plants have beautifully colored leaves or flowers. Some plants have beautiful colored leaves and some colorful flowers. They are called ornamental plants. What is the meaning of ornament? We wear ornaments just like I have ornaments in my hands, on my both hands. Okay. So just like that, their ornaments means what the ornaments we wear to make ourselves look beautiful, right? So trees also, those trees which have beautiful leaves, beautiful flowers, those are called ornamental plants. Some plants are kept inside the house to enhance the decor of the room. These are called indoor plants. In suppose I think you also have indoor plants. So they are indoor plants. The money plant is a indoor plant. We must take a good care of the plants. We should water the plants regularly. We should not pluck leaves or flowers unnecessarily. And if we do not water the plants will die. So we should take care of the plants regularly, and we must water the plant regularly. Okay. And cutting big tree is a crime because we get oxygen from big trees. Also, small trees also gives us oxygen. Small plants, not trees. So trees, huge trees give us shade. So many things. So cutting big trees is a crime. Don't do that. We get paper from plants. When we waste paper, remember, when you waste paper, we should remember that we will need to cut more trees. Otherwise, we will not get paper. Then we have to cut more trees. So, we should not cut trees. Always remember that Mother Earth, the earth where we live, gives us enough for our need. What we need, Mother Earth gives us enough, but not for our greed. Okay, so keep it in mind. So go and watch the plants. So make a note what type of trees you can see outside, what type of shrubs, what type of herbs. Okay, and read the chapter very carefully. And we will make another video. I will make another video based on this chapter, discussing on the question and answer. Okay, meet you soon. Take care. Tada.